Ever wonder what you can do with old banana peels apart from throwing them in the trash? Would you believe me if I said that you can make a fertilizer to feed your indoor and outdoor plants? As they decompose, banana peels add potassium as well as small amounts of nitrogen, phosphorus, and magnesium to the soil in a similar fashion as a slow-release fertilizer. The first thing to do is eat lots of bananas, and dry your peels for an hour or so in an oven at 160 Fahrenheit or 70 degrees Celsius. I store my banana peels in a brown paper bag until I have enough to process. I break off the stems first so the peels grind up quickly. Give it a blitz for a minute or two. Then feed my indoor plants like this beautiful African violet, which the cat knocked over earlier, so it's looking a bit ratty at the moment. Give this a try and let me know how you go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked this video.